What if I told you that $100 could be the start of your journey to wealth? You might think it's not enough, right? But here's the thing, it's not about the amount you start with, it's about starting it all. In the next some minutes, I'm going to show you how to transform that $100 into your gateway to financial freedom. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at $100 the same way again. But let me guess, you're probably thinking, really? Just 100 bucks? Well, buckle up, because you're about to find out how even a small amount can set the wheels of wealth in motion. Point 1. The mindset shift. Before you even invest that $100, the first thing you need to do is shift your mindset. Investing is not just about the money. It's about believing that your future self will thank you for making smart decisions today. Think about it. How many of us scroll through social media, seeing others living the life we want, but doing nothing about it? The fear of being stuck in the same financial situation year after year is real. If you don't start investing now, you risk missing out on the most important element of wealth building, time. But here's the exciting part. By the end of this video, you'll know how that $100 can start working for you while you sleep. Point 2. Choose your platform. Now that you're in the right mindset, let's talk about where to invest that $100. Today, you don't need a stockbroker or thousands of dollars to start. There are apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Webull that let you invest with as little as $1. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. Imagine telling someone in the 1980s that you could invest $5 in Apple stock while waiting for your Starbucks order to be ready. Mind-blowing, right? So, what's your excuse now? These apps are designed for beginners, and they make it super easy to start with a small amount. And you know what's exciting? That $100 could be the beginning of something huge. Point 3. The power of fractional shares. You don't need to buy a full share of expensive stocks like Amazon or Tesla to get in on the action. With fractional shares, you can own a piece of these companies for as little as $1. Here's the thing, the longer you wait, the higher those stock prices might go. Every day you hesitate is another day of missed opportunities. But there's one more secret weapon that could multiply your wealth even faster. Point 4. Compound interest. Enter the magic of compound interest. It's the ultimate wealth-building strategy, and it's all about earning interest on your interest. The earlier you start, the bigger your gains. In 30 years, that $100 could grow into thousands if you let time do its work. The reality? If you don't start now, you'll regret it. Time is either your best friend or your worst enemy when it comes to investing. Imagine looking back 10 years from now and wishing you had started with just that $100. And let me ask you this. How much time do you spend on things that don't move you toward your financial goals? Exactly. Point 5. Low-cost index funds. One of the safest ways to invest your $100 is through low-cost index funds, like those that track the S&P 500. Instead of putting all your money into one company, index funds allow you to own a piece of the biggest 500 companies in the U.S. This strategy is perfect for beginners because it spreads your risk across multiple companies. So even if one stock underperforms, others in the index will balance it out. But there's one more step to turn this simple $100 investment into a long-term strategy for wealth. Point 6. The habit of consistency. Investing $100 is just the start. The real key to wealth: consistency. Commit to adding even small amounts to your portfolio every month. Over time, those small contributions add up to significant wealth. The excitement of watching your investments grow is like nothing else. But the fear of not taking action now, that can haunt you for life. Start small, stay consistent, and let your wealth snowball. So what will you do? You can either take that $100 and buy a few coffees, or you can start building your future. The choice is yours. Imagine looking back 10, 20, 30 years from now and being grateful you made that decision today. Remember, time is ticking, and every day you don't start investing, you're missing out on potential growth. So, what's your next move? Subscribe for more investing tips.